Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your Swyftx account step by step. So let's get started. First, log in into your Swyftx account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up by following the prompts on the screen. Once you are logged in, you'll be on the Swyftx dashboard. To start the verification process, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the profile menu, select verification. This will take you to the verification page where you can start the process. Now, you will need to verify your identity. Tap on verify identity. You'll be asked to provide some personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure the information matches your official document. Next, you will need to upload government issued ID. This can be passport, driver's license, or another accepted form of identification. Make sure to take clear photo of your ID and upload it. After uploading your ID, you'll be asked to take a selfie for verification. Ensure you are in a well-lit area and your face is clearly visible. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete this step. Once you have submitted your documents and selfie, Swyftx will review your information. The process usually takes a few minutes, but it can take longer in some cases. You will receive a notification once your account is verified, and that's it. You have successfully verified your Swyftx account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for some more tutorials. Thanks for watching.